So it's the morning after my retreat day yesterday, which was a bit of a dream come true for me to run a full day in-person retreat with some lovely, lovely people. Yeah, I'm so grateful to God that I get to do this. It's just so lovely to be able to be my creative self and to have some time to inspire others and encourage them and hopefully give them a really useful tool as part of the way that they relate to God and have intimacy with him. It was a good day, I think. It's weird. I'm feeling a bit sort of vulnerable today about it. But yeah, I don't know why. I think it's just like you kind of pour your heart and soul into these things and then you wake up and you think, oh, did I do okay? But I got some lovely feedback, which was really nice, and just a really lovely, supportive, encouraging group, brave group of people who were willing to step out and try new things and share a little bit of themselves as well, which I really, really appreciated. Yeah, we had Holland House was beautiful. It really didn't disappoint. We had a lovely homemade lasagna for lunch with piles of lovely salad and coleslaw and cheesecake for pudding. We had homemade cookies and cake galore. We were still eating cake as we walked out the door. Yeah, so that was lovely. The weather wasn't great, but and that was sad because the gardens are really beautiful. But I think people, instead of kind of exploring externally, people were really exploring internally and seemed to be, particularly in the afternoon, just really keen just to knuckle down and do some art journaling. Having had a little go, a sort of, as I did some hand holding in the morning, in the afternoon everybody just seemed to want to go for it and explore the art materials and yeah, just worship God. And yeah, we had a lovely time. So thank you to those of you who made it. Sorry if you wanted to be there and you missed out. I'm really, really hoping to do another one, if Holland House will have me, maybe in January. So you could put it maybe on your Christmas list if you fancy coming along and having a day art journaling with me. So that's all for now. I'll leave you with a few more pictures of the beautiful work that was produced by the ladies on the day. See you soon.